So I'm using this Shop Miss A tapered blending brush and the shade Lucky Clover to sweep that in the crease. With this tutorial, we're having two main motions, which is sweeping motions and also circular motions. So the circle motions are to really concentrate the product while blending, but the sweeping motions are to help create that diffused effect on the eye. And then I'm using this medium blending brush and the shade from the Culture 2 palette in order to put it on the outer portion of the eye, and I'm sweeping that into the crease in order to create more depth with the eye look. Then I'm taking the previous E127 and I'm sweeping that into the crease. There's nothing on this brush, it's just really to help blend everything all together, and I'm sweeping that out the outer corner to really help with that diffuse gradient effect. And then I'm taking the shade Best Buds and putting that onto the lid, and on top I'm going to be putting the shade Money Trees to help create this really beautiful iridescent like aqua shimmer. And then I'm taking the shade from the Culture 1 palette again, and I'm focusing it on the outer portion of my eye and sweeping that into the crease to really help create those layers, like depth. Like, you know, in a painting when they use a bunch of different colors, it's like that with your eye. And then I'm using this angled brush and the shade from the Culture 1 palette from my lower lash line, and then I'm taking the shade Best Buds and the shade from the Culture 1 palette, and I'm really focusing on that on the outer portion of my eye to help blend the lid shade to the outer corner. And then I'm highlighting my brow bone with Juvia's Gardenia, and I'm using the Shop Miss A mini mascara from my lower lash line and highlighting with my Revlon Skin Lights highlighter in my inner corner and brow bone. And this is my lip combo, which is Sephora Molasses Lip Liner, Max Spice Lip Gloss, which is honestly so beautiful. And then I'm putting on a blush by Shop Miss A, and we're done. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!